Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today and share with you a quick Amazon haul and online haul. So I'm just going to jump right on in. I picked up this super cute stamp by the Greeting Farm. Isn't she absolutely adorable? She's called Holiday Anya number 6 and it says Mugs and Kisses. And I am so into the coffee mug thing right now for Christmas, and I can't wait to make some projects, some more coffee cup mug projects, and I just thought this was absolutely adorable. So I wanted to share with you this super cute stamp. She's absolutely adorable, and it's thegreetingfarm.com in case you're wondering. And then I did do some shopping on Amazon. I picked up some Hero Arts acetate sheets for shaker cards. This particular brand I really like for shakers, and it cuts through the die cut machine very easily. And you know, I pick it up off of Amazon because I'm a Prime member and I get it super quick. So pick those up. And then I got some more art glitter glue. I love this glitter glue, you guys. It's amazing, dries super fast. I've shared it with you guys before. Highly recommend this glue. And again, I just get it off of Amazon because I can get it super quick. If you're a Prime member, normally you can get things shipped pretty quickly, and also sometimes they give you an additional discount just for being a Prime member. So that is a lot of fun. And then the last thing that I picked up off of Amazon was this die right here by Spellbinders, and it is called the Tiny Shadow Box die. And I was definitely enabled by my friend Gina, who is Scrapinology here on YouTube. Hi Gina, if you're watching. She had shared this die maybe a week ago or so and showed how to put it together. I'll definitely link her channel in the description box below. But she definitely enabled me to get this die. I thought it was absolutely adorable. It's super cute. So let me show you what it looks like put together. Excuse me. It looks like this. This is how my little shadow box came out. Absolutely stinking adorable. I love it. Love, love, love. What I did was I used some glitter paper. I used the little heart scallop bow from Alina Crafts. And then these are just puffy stickers I picked up at Michael's probably last year. I added some little bit of bling. The die does come with this really pretty banner. And then this die right here, Joy, is a die from my stash. And I just die cut that out. Really, really cute. And then I attached this little gold string, and it actually came with some little little Christmas tags I purchased from Dollar Tree recently, and I just thought I could add this, and you could hang this in a Christmas tree. It would be super cute to do something like that. Also, Bona, she also made some really cute ones as well, so definitely check hers out. She made some really, really adorable ones too. So anyway, this is gonna be fun. I wanna make some more and give them to crafty friends. So this is my haul. Definitely check the description box below. I'll leave the links to the products that I purchased today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.